All right, everybody. 04 Vet, paint correction. Just go around it so everybody can see what it is. Black paint, and it's rough. Water stains, hard water stains everywhere. Paint's pretty scratched up. Gotta get a good look at this. A lot going on here. Definitely about to put in some work and some time on this one. Pretty much the whole vehicle is rough. Good look around. She definitely needs some TLC. So definitely be doing some compounding, the wool pad, coming back with a foam pad to make sure there's no swirls in the paint. And then we'll polish and seal it up. She is rough. Didn't realize what I had in front of me until I got here. So I'm about to get it cracking, and I will be back with the end results. Stay tuned.
Is a full-service, Florida-based commercial law firm that has experience and capabilities to handle any legal issue a business is confronted with.
Okay, so what I did was I went around a small portion of the Corvette just so everybody could see what direction we're headed in. And so I kind of went over the hood, and I did sort of a chemical wipe to help lighten the hard water stains. You can still see the scratches and a lot of residue from the rag. However, if you look here, this will kind of let you know the direction we're headed with the end result. So it's maybe a little hard to tell because there's a lot of lint from my wool pad. I had a brand new wool pad that I just started with, but you can see here, and then right here is what we started with. All of the scratches and haze, and so you got that is the before, and right here is your after, which I'll try to go from. You can see that light reflection, more lint right there. You can see that light reflection as compared to this light reflection. So this is not the finished product, but it's definitely the direction that we're headed in as far as our end result. So we're gonna get it moving on this whole thing, and I'll shoot some short clips, and then I'll come back with the end result. Stay tuned. All right, so a quick look at the hood. Try to get rid of some of this glare from the lights. You can definitely see huge difference in the hood. Check out the reflections from the walls, and you can kind of see huge difference in the paint finish and the paint surface. Check it out. So it was pretty much done, not completely done, but I'm about to get on with the rest of the car, and then my last portion of this video will probably be the entire finished product, so you guys can see the end result was. Back up from it. All right, so real quick, just wanted to show you guys that to buff this edge, got a lot of fine scratches around the edge right here. And to protect this rubber trim, we went ahead and masked it off with the painter's tape. That'll keep the buffer from damaging this rubber area.
That's all you got? That's it?
That's it.
Huh?
That's it. I tell you it's gonna be a process.
Damn, man.
All right, so here it is, the finished result. Corvette Z06, paint correction. Remember there was heavy hard water stains in the paint, lots of scratches. I use a fresh new medium wool pad, the yellow one. So I don't care how many times I wipe this car, man, it's still yellow lint all over the car. I think I got most of it off, but there's still some. But as you can see, end result is like night and day. Definitely a huge improvement from what we started with. 3-step process. Compound out all of the scratches. Second step with a foam pad to make sure we don't leave any swirling in the paint. And then, me personally, I like to finish everything off with a very, very good paste wax, heavy paste. Because me, personally, I feel that nothing's more durable. Paste wax doesn't wash off, doesn't wash off in the rain or the car wash, as long as the vehicle is washed with proper soap. There it is.